This video demonstrates some of the most interesting new features that were implemented in Content Fusion 7.0. This release introduces the personal workspace concept that allows you to make changes within a project and then commit to the Git repository, similar to working with a local Git client, but more lightweight since you don't have to clone the entire repository. You can start working in your personal workspace immediately. Let's show you how it works. When you're inside a project in Content Fusion, you can click the Edit in Workspace button to enter your personal workspace. To quickly introduce you to its unique interface, its Files side view displays the file and folder structure of the project. The Publications side view makes it easy to browse a publication's data map structure. The Changes view allows you to commit changes. And there's an Incoming Commits dropdown in the top right corner that provides information about the status of incoming changes and allows you to update your workspace with new commits coming from the Git repository. Now we'll switch to an example of a live project. We'll go to the Publications view, and there's a button to open the map for the chosen publication. This opens it in a specialized tree editor where you can easily modify its structure. For example, we're going to insert a topic head element using contextual menu actions because we want to have an expandable section for specifications and add a networking specs topic. The tree editor also supports drag and drop, as well as copy-paste keyboard actions and various toolbar actions. Now we'll insert a reference to a new topic. It allows us to choose from a list of document templates, and we'll choose where to store it and give it an appropriate file name. We'll double-click the new topic to open it. We'll add content, and we'll click the refresh button in the header of the Publications view to show the updated structure. We'll need to commit our changes, but notice that we have two incoming commits that we'll first need to pull. You can click the View Changed Files button to see details, and in the left pane of the resulting pop-up window, you can click on a file to preview the specific incoming changes for that particular file. We'll pull the changes. Now we'll go to the Changes view where there's a Commit button that allows you to commit changes across multiple files in a single commit. Content Fusion 7 also introduces support for implementing continuous deployment solutions for your content via publishing connectors that help you upload output to various platforms such as Netlify, Amazon S3, or servers that support the SFTP protocol. The new Connectors side view allows you to specify connectors for automatically deploying your content. We'll create a new connector for Netlify. We'll give the connector a name, and the rest of the information comes from our Netlify configuration on their website. Now we'll need to go to Deliverables, edit our deliverable, select the Upload Output using a Publishing Connector option, and we'll select Netlify from the drop-down. The deliverable will automatically start building, and once finished, we can open the output and go to the particular section where we made changes to show that our output reflects those changes. Coupled with continuous deployment, you can also implement a contribution workflow similar to a wiki collaboration project by using a new option to generate an edit online link within each published topic. Contributors can use the link to open the source document in the Content Fusion workspace where they can make changes and see the results within minutes. To enable this feature, we'll edit our deliverable, select the Add Edit Online Links option, and save. Once the deliverable is finished building, we'll go to the published output, and we'll navigate to the topic that we want to modify. Then we'll click the Edit Online button to open the source document in Content Fusion. We'll add some content in a particular location within the document. And we'll go to the Changes view to commit our changes. You can click on a file to view a comparison of the changes. We'll go ahead and commit them. The deliverable will automatically build, and once finished, we'll go back to the published output and refresh the content to show that our changes are there, and they were live as soon as the automated build finished. This version also introduces Markdown related features, making it easy to migrate from Markdown to a structured format such as DITA, or to receive contributions from developers who prefer using Markdown. To demonstrate some of the Markdown features, we'll first create a new folder on the project root. We'll name it Markdown. Then we'll create a new file within that folder. We'll choose the Markdown template and give it a title. The new file is opened in the specialized Markdown editor. Now we'll add content. And then we need to reference it in the data map so that it will be included in the output. So we'll go to the publications view, select the particular publication we want, and click the Open in Editor button to open it in the tree editor. In the troubleshooting section, we'll add a topic reference to our newly created Markdown file. We would then need to commit our changes and build the deliverable, which we did behind the scenes. And we'll go to the output to show that the Markdown file is published the same as the regular data topics. Those were just some of the new features added in Content Fusion 7.0. For a complete list of the updates, visit the Content Fusion What's New page. The link to that page can be found in the description of this video. Also, feel free to try these features on our Evaluate for Free page.